Dog's intelligent models make surge protection woes a thing of the past. Welcome back to Check It Out. I'm your host Corin, and today we'll be exploring the benefits of adding Big Dog power units to your next install. Big Dog has combined all the features integrators need into a unique power solution to deliver surge protection, remote control, smart home integration, rack temperature management, and much more. The line breaks down its power distribution units like this. One 12-outlet rack mount unit with one always-on service outlet. A 6-outlet vertical rack mount with one looping outlet for daisy chaining multiple units together. A smaller wall mount 3-outlet unit, and a smart 1-outlet wall plug. The last two models are one of the biggest benefits of Big Dog power units, 2 replaceable surge protection modules. 2040 and 3060 joule units, which can be used with the 12 and 6 outlet power distribution models. Why are these replaceable surge protection modules helpful? The effectiveness of a surge protector weakens with every single surge. Instead of leaving your customer's equipment vulnerable after many surges or replacing a whole unit, you can simply replace one of the modules. On top of that, the Big Dog app shows the remaining life left on these modules, allowing you to know when it's ready to make a replacement. The Mavbase app has an intuitive design, providing a simple user experience to manage connected devices. For integrators, there's also the ability to monitor their client's equipment with either remote or direct access. We will throw the link to the Mavbase app in the description below. All of these models have capabilities to help with different kinds of situations. For the customer who wants real control over their equipment, the Big Dog line features individually controlled outlets with power metering, so they can see real-time power usage on the app. Also, for the customer who wants to be less hands-on, they feature self-healing and auto reboot capabilities, so the product just works when you need them to. Big Dog Power just recently made its way to Davis, and we can already see a lot of benefits for integrators in their everyday installs. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Check It Out. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Also, give us a like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. Until next time.